Good morning everyone. Today we are going to introduce with the spectrum analyzer. This is the very different from the CRO, as CRO is used for the observation which are used in the time domain, and this spectrum analyzer is basically used for the measurement of the frequency domain. Then we will see that what are the different buttons that are available in this spectrum analyzer. So you can see that here the first button here, blue color button, is frequency, span, amplitude, auto set, marker, peak search, trace, means, time limit, bandwidth, trigger, display, file, reset, system, option, and sequence. These are the buttons which are used for basically to select the range of frequency in kilohertz, megahertz, gigahertz. Then there is also 4 buttons, which is where we will use this button for moving the cursor on the signal. This is also the another button is available for that. Here you can see the function keys available with this. There are total six functions available with this. Function F is F1. If you on this button, screen will appear and the function keys will going to be work. But the function key is going to be work only when you select the option. So option will get select all the functions. Now F1 is triggered. Okay, triggered, that is the TG. Option 2 is demodulation. Option 3 is battery. Option 4 is external reference frequency. We are using this function key only. Now to get the on this spectrum analyzer, we have to trigger this spectrum analyzer. So press F1. In that you can see there is a on off. So by putting again F1, you can move that cursor from on to off or from off to on, like this. Okay, so you have to keep this trigger on. Then we can have the other option of frequency, where we can select the frequency range. It is having center frequency, start, stop, and step frequency. So when we want to fix the range, you have to set the start frequency of 9 kilohertz. Stop frequency can be 3 gigahertz. Okay, so step frequency can any 1.5 gigahertz. Okay, now the thing that I want to tell you, that this frequency spectrum analyzer is of having range 9 kilohertz to 3 gigahertz. So the frequency range that we can select, it is from 9 kilohertz to 3 gigahertz. Okay, so with this we can stop here, and